Okay, we've got a Canon. It's an vixia hv30 HDV HD CMOS. It's got the micro SD. It'll take micro SD card, and it also takes the DV tapes. Let's see. That's right. I got to put the battery in. I've got two batteries here. Safe little case there. We'll stick a battery in here for now. See if I can get her in there about right. So we can get things opened up here. Here's the DV. Comes up automatically here in a sec. And it'll pop out. Takes the DV. That's really good for tape. It's a preferred way for some. Anyway, stick that back in there. Should go back down. We'll close the case. Of course, it does do the SD. Like I said, SD. It's actually a. It's the micro SD card. Fits right in here. We've got one in here right now. Charger. What else do we need to know about this thing? We'll turn it on here. Everything's working just fine. Didn't use it very much. Maybe about 5 little videos. In fact, it's got to do its thing here. I don't know if you can see that, but anyway, it's good to go. No problems with it. I'll just turn it off there again. Oh, I guess I could have shown you the. Yeah. Anyway, the in and out, whatever that thing is. The zoom. Sorry about that. Anyway, got another battery here. Extra capacity one. Lasts a lot longer than the other battery. Got the remote control. You can do a data search. You can rewind, play, fast forward, stop, slow down, pause, and a few other things. You can research it online, or I'll get some more notes in here anyway. And here's the charging, and here's several DV tapes. Good luck with your bidding, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to give a call or send an email. Thank you.